Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Ashley Irizarry Diaz, and today I'm going to be doing a what I eat in a day video. Okay, so the first thing you're going to see me make is my lemon water or lime water. Today I had lime, so I used lime. I just fill up my Starbucks cup with water, and then I put like 1 or 2 lime wedges in it, and then I drink this in the morning before I have my green tea matcha. Okay, so after I have my water, like an hour later, once I start to actually like get hungry and I've already like done all my morning things, I will make my green tea matcha. And today I had this Vital Proteins matcha collagen green tea. I did do a first impressions on this, so if you want to check out that video, I will link it below. I've just been using this for a few days now, so I will keep you updated on how I like this, but today that's what I did to make my green tea matcha. It's just 1 scoop of the Vital Protein and then 8 ounces of water, or you can do like half milk, half water, so that's what I did here. And then I did put some cinnamon in there. And then I'm also going to have a few lychees because my neighbor just gave me some, so I'm going to have that with my green tea matcha. I'm not going to eat this whole bowl because these are really sweet, so I'm just going to have like 2 or 3 of them. Okay, so I'm just gonna have some of these lychees. They're so good. Wow, these are really sweet. If you've never had lychee before, you really have to try it. It's what is it? I don't even know what it's like. It's maybe like, I don't know. Okay, so far I've only had my water, my lime water, my green tea matcha, and then I had 4 lychees. So that's kind of like my breakfast for today. It is the weekend, so I don't have to go to work, so I'm not packing like a lunch today. But usually I don't really have like a breakfast. Sometimes if I'm in the mood, I'll have like oatmeal or like yogurt or like toast or something. But today I just had the green tea matcha and then the lychees. The green tea matcha actually keeps me full till like 11 or 12, so then I'll just have like my lunch. So right now it's 11. So I'm not sure what I'm gonna have for lunch yet, but we will see. Okay, so I'm out running errands today, and I packed a like a snack because I knew I was gonna get hungry. It's about 12:30 now, almost 1 o'clock, so I got a banana, and then I packed a couple dried dates here. I usually like eating these dates with cheese, but I just grabbed a banana, so that's what I'm having for my snack before dinner time. So. These dates are so good. I'm filming out what I eat in a day. This is really good with cheese too. Yes. They're so good for you. There's so many health benefits for eating dates. Okay, so I just got home from running some errands in town. My last snack that I had was the banana and the dates. So I'm gonna have my lunch now. It's 1:35. So a little bit of a later lunch, but we do eat dinner later, so that'll be okay. So we had tacos, chicken tacos for dinner last night, so I'm just gonna make those for my lunch today. So you're gonna see me assembling my chicken tacos. So I'm just using this white corn tortilla brand. So I'm not even going to cook the tortillas. I don't need to warm them up because I'm starving, so I'm just gonna do what I got. I'm gonna have some chicken here from my leftovers. Just rotisserie chicken, shredded up. I think we're gonna do a salad too, so I'm gonna leave some chicken for the salad. Lettuce. Some onions, tomatoes, cilantro. Cheddar, jack cheese. And there you go. My chicken tacos with cilantro, tomatoes, onions, lettuce, cheese, lime, some sour cream on the bottom with white corn tortillas. Tortillas. Hey guys, okay, so the last meal, actually second to last meal of the day, because I'll probably have dessert. So right now I'm going to start making dinner. On this day we're going to have shoyu chicken for dinner, which is just like a marinade that goes with the chicken, shoyu chicken or soy sauce chicken. It's a really simple and easy recipe, so I'm just going to show you what I use, and then I'm just going to throw everything into a pot and let it cook for about an hour on like low to medium heat so it gets nice and tender. So check that out now. Okay, so here are all the ingredients for the shoyu chicken that we're going to make for dinner tonight. You're going to need some ginger, garlic cloves, an onion. We like lots of onion in this, so I'm probably going to use the whole onion. Some sugar, probably like a cup of sugar actually in this recipe because it's going to cut out the soy sauce. So this is the shoyu, just 1.5 cups of shoyu or soy sauce. Some vinegar, about 1/4 of a cup of vinegar, and then 1 cup of water, 1.5 to 1 cup of 1 to 1.5 cups of water. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare all of this and throw it into our wok. Okay, so I'm going to put the stoves to medium heat first. I'm going to throw in first the 1 cup of water, 1.5 cups of shoyu, 1/4 cup of vinegar, and I'm going to bring this to a boil and then throw in the garlic and the ginger afterwards. Now we're going to throw in all of the ginger and the garlic. You can leave all of this ginger in big chunks because we're just trying to get the ginger flavor to infuse into the shoyu. We're not actually going to like eat the ginger. I mean, you can chew on it if you want to, but it's just for flavor. Oh, I can smell the ginger already. It smells so good. But that's it for 5 minutes. Okay, now I'm going to put in about 1/2 cup of sugar. I want the skin to be on the top, so this part will go down towards the bottom of the pan and the skin will be up. Okay, so I'm going to keep this on low heat and let this simmer for about 45 minutes. And then about halfway through, I'm going to throw in the onions. Okay, it's been about an hour and a half.
3 hours.
Now the chicken is ready. Should be nice and soft. I added the onions earlier so that they could cook but not get cooked all the way. And then you can eat this with rice, broccoli, any vegetables. We're gonna go ahead and take this over to our friend's house and finish eating dinner there. So hope you guys enjoyed the shoyu chicken recipe for dinner. So for dinner we have the shoyu chicken here that we made earlier, some onions from that same sauce, ahi, right Thomas? Is this ahi that you caught? And then sashimi ahi. Ray, Alana, what are you eating? Food. Food? Are you having sashimi? Oh. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed my first What I Eat in a Day video. If you did, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. I will also leave a link in the description box below if you want to subscribe to my channel. Have a great night, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!